But here I'm able to bring that torque wrench up just to kind of get it away from the workpiece. Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Mark, better known as Tobitech, and we have a new tool from Olsa Tools. This is their fine tooth flex head. Listen to that. Oh, that's nice and fine. Flex head click type torque wrench. It has a torque range from 50 all the way up to 250. One of the things I love about this thing is the little pull down mechanism has a nice little lip. So as you're setting your torque, it's really easy to keep pressure on there. Some of the other styles, your finger tends to always slip off. The numbers are very clear, really easy to read. On the front side, you have in foot-pounds. On the back side, you have in Newton meters. Again, you've got the flex head, which allows you to get in tighter spaces, which you wouldn't be able to with just a normal straight head. So it has some good length to it. So really, even when you're going to torque up something at 250 pounds, you don't have to put that much force onto it. Some of the shorter torque wrenches, they lose some of that leverage, right? Got the switch on the back, very nice and easy. Very nice to even get to it in tight spaces. It's not recessed, which I really like. You even have a decently thin head for a 1/2 inch ratchet. All right. Enough talking about this. Let's go torque some stuff. All right, so here we have a wheel I just finished tightening up, and the torque on this calls for 80 foot-pounds. Let's set it to 80, which is right there. Listen to the satisfying audible click that comes from this torque wrench. But not only can you torque wheels with this, I'll show you in the engine space. Again, this flex head gets in nice tight spaces. So let's go check out this motor I have over here that I need to torque up the cams on. I want to show you guys how even when you got some of your components in the way, flex head, so it gives you a little bit more options, right? This all torqued up. There we go. So even something like this, if I wanted to torque up the head bolts, whereas right here, see if this was a straight torque wrench, I'd be hitting my fuel injectors, right? But here, I'm able to bring that torque wrench up just to kind of get it away from the workpiece. So as you can see, it works really, really good in these tight engine compartments. Same if I have to go down and torque up my crankshaft, right? I can get right down in there and kind of tilt this handle a little bit away from the motor itself, right? So I can get my full arc swing. If it was straight, I would have a lot of difficulty because I would only be able to move it so much. At least now with a little bit of flexibility, I can kind of work around different components and such.